Eid Mubarak. How are you celebrating today?
Eid Mubarak. I'm doing well, thanks. I'm just getting ready to go to the mosque for the Eid Salah prayer. How about you?
That's great. I'm planning to go to the mosque as well. I'm also excited to meet our friends and family, exchange gifts, and enjoy some delicious Eid treats.
Yes, me too. I love the festive atmosphere during Eid. It's always so nice to see everyone dressed up in their new clothes and spreading happiness all around.
Absolutely. And the food is one of my favorite parts. I can't wait to dig into some biryani and sheer kurma.
Oh, I'm with you on that. Biryani is a must during Eid, and sheer kurma is such a sweet treat. I'm already drooling just thinking about it.
Haha, me too. I can hardly wait. Do you have any special plans for the day?
Yes, after the mosque, I'll be visiting my relatives and spending time with my family. We'll be exchanging gifts and catching up with each other. It's always a joyous time.
Sounds wonderful. I'll be doing something similar. It's always nice to connect with loved ones and share the festive spirit.
Definitely. Eid is a time for spreading love and happiness. I'm looking forward to making some beautiful memories with my family and friends.
Me too. It's a day to be grateful for all the blessings in our lives and to appreciate the importance of togetherness. Let's make the most of it.
Absolutely. Let's have a fantastic Eid filled with joy, laughter, and cherished moments. Eid Mubarak again, my dear friend.
Eid Mubarak to you too. Have a fantastic day, and may this Eid bring you all the happiness and prosperity you deserve.
Thank you, same to you. Enjoy your day to the fullest. Take care and let's catch up soon.
For sure. Take care and have a memorable Eid. We'll catch up soon. Eid Mubarak once again.
Thank you. Eid Mubarak once again. Take care and see you soon. Bye.
Bye. Eid Mubarak.